How to delete all Roblox files. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, I'll show you how you can completely remove Roblox from your computer quickly and easily. So I'll cover two methods. The first is the easiest method. Click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner to open a start menu and then tap on Programs, then type Programs and select Add or Remove Programs. Now find Roblox in the list. Select it and tap on Uninstall. Again, select Uninstall to confirm and you'll be done. This will automatically remove most Roblox files. Now, if you want to ensure all Roblox files are gone before uninstalling, use the first method. Right-click on the Roblox player, click on More, and then tap on Open File Location. Again, tap on Roblox and then select Open File Location. Select the Roblox player data, right-click on it and select Delete. Or you can go ahead and tap on Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Then click Shift+Delete and click on Yes to delete all the Roblox files. This way, the Roblox versions and the entire Roblox folder will be removed. So I hope this video helped you remove all Roblox files from your computer. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.